This King Divine Allah on this knowledge equality all being born God's day. We need fucking justice for Trayvon Martin ass. You know what I'm saying? All these Uncle Tom Bolay, Secret Star, Eric Sharpton, Jesse Jackson need to sit their punk asses down and get some righteousness. We need to save these babies from this gang violence in our community and wake the fuck up. You know what I'm saying? Because these niggas out here, this is some racist shit. What Zimmy got away, he got away with some bullshit. That's not a cause for. If a little kid goes to the store, get a pack of pork Skittles or a tea to go home and get some knowledge, wisdom, or self or some substance, you ain't had the right to get out the fucking car and pop my man. So you know what I'm saying? So that's what I feel. So all these motherfuckers who out here in America, so politician bitch ass niggas who call yourself American people, you can suck a dick. That's especially for Barack Obama punk ass too. He sits in this office like a house nigga, like a slave master. But you need to wake up and get that knowledge, wisdom, and understanding, culture, freedom, power, reforming in his mind so he can guide himself to the righteous path of arm, leg, arm, and head to ourself, Lord and Master, to the game. And charge it to our game. We are the motherfucking next generation to teach these. But that's why parents at home, it's not condoning them with the knowledge and wisdom, understanding the substance to guide them on the righteous path instead of smoking weed, drinking, and shaking their ass and get connected with the hip hop and try to imitate these motherfucking celebrities out here, guys. So what I'm saying to y'all, we need to stop this goddamn violence. Peace to the gods and our peace.